Step 1. Open the outer box. Take out the truck bed extender set. Unzip it to remove the main body and accessories. Step 2. Assemble all the bolts with the white plastic shim. Step 3. Install the assembled bolts on the sides of the tailgate according to the video. Place the bracket in and fix it with bolts. Repeat the operation to complete the installation of the brackets on both sides. Step 4. Take out the main body of the truck bed extender and unfold it. Place it on the tailgate, as shown in the video. Step 5. Take out 2 shorter T-bolts. Fix the bed extender to the side brackets. Step 6. Use 2 longer T-bolts and nuts to fix the middle of the truck bed extender.